Yes, good morning class. Now we will look at chemical bonding and structure of various atoms or elements. Now today I want us to proceed further and I want us to look at the formation of covalent bonding, the coordinate bonding and ionic bonding, because all of them are covalent bonds. Coordinate rotative bond is a form of a covalent bond, whereas hydrogen bond also is a form of the covalent bond. Now in covalent bonding, basically, this is a bonding consisting of a pair of electrons shared between two or many species of various atoms in a compound. So basically you can say it is the sharing of electrons to obtain stability. Now a good example we can give is the hydrogen bonding. Now in hydrogen bonding, you need to know that hydrogen is the atomic molecule consisting of two atoms of hydrogen to form the molecule of hydrogen gas. Okay? So basically we have that hydrogen with another hydrogen. This is the bond we call the covalent bond. We can either draw it this way, covalent bond for the hydrogen molecule, or we can indicate the sharing. We know that hydrogen has one electron, outermost electron, in its outermost orbital. So when we draw, we use the diagram to indicate the bonding. Apart from doing that way, we can also do it this way. That is hydrogen, another hydrogen molecule. So, okay, let me just do it this way. We have one hydrogen combining with another hydrogen molecule, we're forming that one. That's covalent bond. So we can also indicate this by using the particular diagram. You can have the hydrogen with let's say with that kind of electron plus another hydrogen, okay, with that kind of let's put it the other side, with that kind of electron. When they come together, they form a link or a bond to form a molecule of hydrogen gas. So we shared that hydrogen. There is an example of a covalent bond. Another example of covalent bonding is what we see in the water molecule. Water molecule is H2O. That is two molecules of hydrogen plus one atom of oxygen. And we know that water forms a structure like that. That is the bonding. That is, we have hydrogen plus oxygen to form water. Okay? Now, this one you can indicate this way. You can see water, that 2, oxygen is 1, so we can put 2 here. And because we know that hydrogen is the atomic molecule, oxygen is also the atomic molecule, and this is the formula we get for the water. And you can see here we have 2 oxygen, here we have 2. So what you can do is to put 2 there and to put 2 there and form our compound. But remember, the bond we are forming is this. So we are going to have water, oxygen sharing electron with hydrogen in that way. That is the kind of bond going to be formed when we add the 2 molecules together. That's the one for hydrogen and the one for the one for oxygen. Now we can indicate this one using a structure like this. So you can see we have two hydrogen. This is according to this particular bond that we have formed. Hydrogen as one. This is oxygen. It's hydrogen. Hydrogen, another hydrogen atom. Also hydrogen here as one. So oxygen, oxygen also donates another one. So because they're sharing equally. Already these ones are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we indicate the remaining 4 to show stability. You can use the dot because we had used the X for the hydrogen. So this is water. So again, this is a type of chemical, a type of equivalent chemical bonding in the formation of water molecule. Let's now look at also another one, which is a formation of dative bonding. Another example of covalent bond is dative bonding. Dative bonding. Dative or coordinate. Again, this is an example of a covalent bond still. So now, in coordinate bonding, the shared species of electron come from one element or one atom, and a good example is the formation of the ammonium ion. Formation of the ammonium ion, where the shared electron come from the nitrogen molecule. So how do we form the ammonium ion? So ammonium ion is formed when we combine the ammonia plus hydrogen to give us the ammonium ion. So the shared electron is actually coming from the nitrogen. So we are going to have our nitrogen there. This is ammonia. And then our free electrons, which are going to be shared. We add it with the hydrogen. So hydrogen ion. So when we do so, we're going to form a covalent bond, which will be this way. That is a covalent bond, which we call the coordinate bond. So that is how we also form the covalent bond for the ammonium ion. Thank you.